Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest technological advancements that are shaping our future. In today's video, we're diving into 7 groundbreaking technological inventions that are set to change the world as we know it. From medical breakthroughs to sustainable materials and connectivity solutions, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed as we delve into the realm of emerging technologies that will transform our lives. 3D printed bone implant. Our first technological marvel takes us into the world of 3D printing. Imagine a future where custom-made bone implants are created using 3D printing technology. Ossiform, a medical 3D printing company, specializes in producing patient-specific bone replacements. These 3D printed bones, made from a material with properties similar to human bones, allow for seamless integration and full restoration of function. This groundbreaking advancement not only simplifies the surgical process, but also holds the potential to revolutionize the field of medical implants. Imagine a patient in need of a bone implant. Instead of relying on traditional off-the-shelf implants, Ossiform's cutting-edge technology allows for the creation of implants tailored to each individual's unique anatomy. Using advanced 3D printing techniques, the company can produce precise and intricate bone structures that perfectly match the patient's needs. Digital twins that track your health. Remember the futuristic medical bay scenes from Star Trek? Well, the concept of digitally scanning our bodies for early detection of diseases is no longer confined to science fiction. Bio, an American company, has developed a scanner capable of measuring hundreds of biomarkers in just an hour. By creating a 3D digital avatar known as a digital twin, Bio aims to track an individual's health over time and enhance personalized preventive medicine. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to transform healthcare by providing a comprehensive understanding of our bodies and enabling early interventions. Energy storage bricks. The quest for sustainable energy solutions has led scientists to a remarkable discovery, turning ordinary red bricks into energy storage devices. In a groundbreaking development, researchers at Washington University have successfully transformed these widely available building materials into what they call smart bricks capable of storing substantial amounts of energy. This revolutionary innovation has the potential to reshape the way we approach energy storage, offering a sustainable and scalable solution for powering our homes and buildings. Imagine a future where the very bricks that make up our houses and structures play a vital role in storing and supplying energy. What makes these smart bricks so extraordinary is their ability to store energy like traditional batteries, but with added benefits. The researchers found that walls constructed with these smart bricks could not only store a substantial amount of energy, but also recharge hundreds of thousands of times in just 1 hour. This remarkable durability and longevity make them a promising solution for reliable energy storage. Smartwatches that work with sweat move over conventional batteries, as engineers at the University of Glasgow have developed a new type of supercapacitor that harnesses the power of sweat. By coating a flexible cloth with a thin layer of polymer, this innovative supercapacitor generates energy through an electrochemical reaction with the ions present in sweat. This breakthrough in wearable technology opens up exciting possibilities for self-powered devices, reducing our reliance on traditional batteries and promoting environmentally friendly alternatives. Living concrete. Concrete, One of the most consumed materials on Earth is getting a sustainable and self-healing upgrade. Scientists have developed living concrete by combining sand and bacteria. This remarkable building material possesses load-bearing capabilities, self-healing properties, and even the potential to absorb toxins from the air. The University of Colorado Boulder team envisions a future where buildings can repair their cracks, purify the environment, and adapt to our changing needs. Internet for everyone. Access to the internet has become a necessity in our interconnected world, enabling communication, information access, and economic opportunities. However, billions of people around the globe still lack reliable connectivity, creating a digital divide that hinders progress and inclusion. In an inspiring effort to bridge this gap, visionary companies like Hyber have embarked on a mission to provide internet access for everyone, regardless of their geographical location. Imagine a future where even the most remote areas have access to the vast wealth of knowledge and resources available on the internet. With innovative solutions like Hyber Shoebox, sized microsatellites orbiting low Earth, this vision is becoming a reality. These small but powerful satellites act as beacons of connectivity, transmitting internet signals to areas that were once beyond the reach of traditional communication infrastructure. Lab-made dairy products. While cultured meat has garnered attention, another frontier in lab-grown products is dairy. Biotech companies around the world are exploring the creation of laboratory-manufactured dairy products such as milk, cheese, and ice cream. By utilizing fermentation processes and replicating the proteins found in traditional dairy, researchers aim to develop sustainable alternatives that mimic the taste and nutritional benefits of conventional products. With ongoing progress, we may soon enjoy mouth-watering lab-made mozzarella and other dairy delights guilt-free. And there you have it. 7 technological inventions that are set to change our world. From 3D printed bone implants to sustainable building materials, wearable energy generation, and futuristic connectivity solutions, these innovations offer glimpses into a future filled with endless possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, it's exciting to imagine the transformative impact these advancements will have on our lives, health, and the environment. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest technological marvels that shape our future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.